What is up everyone, and welcome to a new series that I'm going to start today. This one is Minecraft engineering. So this is just going to be a bunch of somewhat entry level to some more advanced builds you can do in vanilla Minecraft that will just help. Maybe you have a lot of stuff to smelt or a lot of storage. In this particular episode we're going to be dealing with mass smelting. So I've already built a demo piece here. I'll show you how to build it in a moment. So this is just an industrial size furnace, we'll just call it. So what this allows us to do is you can put your ore or whatever it is you want to smelt in the input chest. Maybe it's wood so that you can make charcoal to fuel this thing. You're going to put coal in the fuel chest. And you're going to let it flow down to the bottom. It does take a few minutes. Obviously, the more you put in, the longer it's going to take. They're going to flow down into a hopper, which is going to put them in a chest. Well, a chest cart. These chest carts, when we flip the lever, are then going to start moving. They're going to come up. They're going to roll on rails across some hoppers which feed into furnaces, and then these furnaces then feed back into the output chest. So pretty basic stuff. So if I just activate it here, there go our carts. And every time it goes over, it's going to deposit ore and coal. And as it all smelts, you'll be able to see it actually come into our output chest here. Alright, so let's see how we build this one. So you're going to need some building materials, any one of your choice. You're going to need rails. You're going to need at least some powered rails and some normal rails, a chest cart, a couple of redstone torches, some redstone dust, levers, and hoppers to start off with. So the first thing we're going to build is we're going to build the kind of launching area for the minecarts. Righto, so we've got our little pattern already built up here. So what you're going to do is on these three triangular blocks at the front, you need redstone, and you need a redstone torch on those two bottom blocks, and next to those redstone torches you're going to place powered rails. Then directly next to the powered rails we need normal rails. Now if we keep building up, so we need to get to that level there. And we place another torch. And on the other side we'll place a lever. So that can be used to turn the rails on and off. Okay, now directly above these rails, we're going to put our hoppers. And we can now set our hopper carts on top. And now we're already done with the hopper carts. We're going to need some chests now. So we'll put a chest on top of each hopper, and then just to make it look pretty we're going to put a wall around our chests. As you saw in the other building, our little test one, we had walls going all the way up to our chests. Obviously if we put a standard block there we can't open it, but without the block there we can. So the way we get around that is with stairs. This is a trick that's been around for a long time in Minecraft. And you can still open the chests. Now we're just going to build our output chest real quick. And there we go. So we've already got the basis of our system set up. So from here, we no longer need the chests. So we'll just get our furnaces. And the ideal number of furnaces is 8. So we're going to go ahead and place 8 furnaces. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll just do it in a straight line. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And underneath, so the way the furnaces and hoppers work is if you feed a hopper into the side, it's going to refill the fuel. If you put a hopper in the top, it's going to refill your smelting item. And any hoppers underneath are going to pull out from the output. So just go ahead, place our hoppers down for the output. We'll place hoppers down for the fuel. And we'll place hoppers down for the input. At the end of the hoppers, we need a wall. Otherwise, our carts are just going to fly straight off the end. And your end one needs to be a powered rail. So we're going to go ahead and do the top set and the bottom set. If you have issues with it connecting like this on you, I believe, or maybe they'll fix that. There we go. May take a little bit of playing around, but we can get it. So on this one, we'll just place we'll just place that one there. Okay, and now we're going to come down. Now if we knock out one of these pieces here and put a redstone torch underneath, it's going to power all of them. And on this one, so we're going to come out one block, then we're going to come down as well. Now this one's a little bit more tricky to power, but somewhat straightforward. So on the side of the rails, if you just highlight over them, you'll see a little hitbox. Just need to place a block there with a lever on top. And then we can put our powered rails down. And a redstone torch there powers that one. And it's just a matter of connecting your rails. And another redstone torch there. And it's done. Just gotta fix up our hoppers. That is our industrial smelter. So obviously you can make it more compact if you would like. You can do 2 rows of furnaces like that, and have your inputs on the side and top, and it's just a matter of running around. So that means that you can build it in it's a wider space, but it's not as long. And obviously you could also build it slightly lower down. So this one is, our floor level is above ground level. You could, if you wanted to, attempt to build it further down, but your output chest will be determined by the height of your furnaces. So the higher your furnaces, the higher your output chest is going to be. Or the lower your furnaces, the lower the output chest is going to be. There we are, just a nice quick video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope this helps you all out in your vanilla worlds. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.